Okay, we are on. So for those of us that have been looking for how to connect your website to Cloudflare, how to connect your website to Cloudflare. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very quick way through which you can be able to connect your website to Cloudflare. Your Cloudflare can protect your website. So let's dive in quickly. So for us to do that, we'll head over to Cloudflare official website, and Cloudflare official website is cloudflare.com. Cloudflare.com. You click on the login button. When you click on the login button or get started button, as you can see here, get started, start for free. Click on any of them. It will take you to where you're supposed to log in or register using your email, or you can fill in details. So I prefer using, when you connect your Gmail account to your laptop, I prefer using any of your Gmail account to access the dashboard of Cloudflare. So when you get in, this is the first thing you are going to see. This is the first thing you are going to see. You are going to see your email will be there at the top, then post your site. You see a place to add what? Domain. You see a place to add what? Domain. It says enter an existing domain or register a new one. So we are going to enter an already registered domain. So we all know, if you want to do that, for most of my students, if you want to do that, you already have, I believe you already have accounts with this company called SAGACIOUS Tech Hosting. If you've not done that, you can watch one of my video tutorials on how you can register and create accounts with SAGACIOUS Tech Hosting and place order with them. So now this is a user's dashboard that when you log into your dashboard, first thing you're going to do, go to your domain section. Click on domain section, then it will load. I want to connect this particular domain, Sabic Oil. I want to connect this particular domain. So I will click on this active green mark here, this active button here. So it will take me to the full details of this domain. Now what I need to do is to look for name servers. Look for name servers. Look at it here, name servers. You see name servers there. Click on it. Before I do that, let me copy the domain name to add to Cloudflare. I've copied it. Let me add it to Cloudflare. Now I go to Cloudflare's account. Now if you are registering on Cloudflare, sometimes the website is very slow and sometimes annoying, but just be patient. You are going to get there. So I will put my domain here. When I put the domain, I will scroll down, then click on continue. Like I said, sometimes Cloudflare is very slow, but just be patient and everything will work out smoothly. Now after you click on continue, it's going to take you to the next page. Now in this next page, we are going to update in this next page we are going to select our version. For now, I'm going to use the free version. Select plan. So I will select the free version. Then it will take me to the next page where I'm supposed to connect the name servers that Cloudflare will give to me. First of all, it's going to scan the existing name server. To scan the existing name server that particular domain carries. So it says it has found all these. These are the records for that domain. So I'll click on continue to activate. Continue to activate. Now after clicking on continue to activate, it's going to take me to this next page. Now Cloudflare with this step 3 says I should replace the existing name server with Cloudflare name server. That means I'm going to change my name server to these two name server that Cloudflare has given to me. So I'm going to click on copy. Remember, we have gone to SAGACIOUS Tech Hosting, which is my dashboard, to see the existing name servers that are there. So I will go there, then I will click on, this is SAGACIOUS Tech now, which is my dashboard. I'll click on name servers, then I will remove the name servers that are there, then put in the two name servers that Cloudflare gave to me. So I copied the first one, I put the first one here. Then I copied the second one, then I'll put the second one here at the bottom. You see the two of them are here. Now these are the name servers that Cloudflare gave to me. So that is what I am using now. So you see them, two of them, I've copied them. Then I'll click on change. Now the change I'm clicking on now is inside Sagacious Tech Hosting. Now it says changes saved successfully. That means I have successfully updated my name servers to Cloudflare. I've changed my name server to the ones Cloudflare gave to me. So I will return back to Cloudflare. Then I will tell Cloudflare that I have done that by clicking on continue. So now when I click on continue, this may take a while, because to update name servers, for name servers or new name servers to be updated, sometimes it takes up to an hour, 30 minutes, or let's say 2 hours or thereabout for it to be updated properly. Some hosting company or some domain registrar takes up to 24 hours for it to be updated. But for Sagacious Tech Hosting, it takes less than that, maybe 30 minutes or an hour for it to reflect on the domain registrar part of it. Now I've done that, so I've clicked on continue. So it took me to this page again and said that it says registrar takes up to 24 hours to process name server changes. Quicker in most cases. In Sagacious Tech Hosting, it is quicker. We will email you when sabicoil.com is active on Cloudflare. So we can just stay on this page for some time. Then once we can stay on this page for some time, like up to 30 minutes. Then we come back and click check name server. So let's check it if it's active. Let's check it if it's active. So if I want to check after 30 minutes, we have not waited, but I just want to show you because of time. Now, if I want to check after 30 minutes, I will come back to this place and click on what? Check name server now. So if I click on check name server now, let's see if we are lucky and it's reflecting already. Let's see. It says the verification for name server is already being rechecked. You may only submit a recheck once per hour. Okay, so let's see if it's already propagating. So not yet, so we are going to wait for an hour. So once you are done waiting for an hour, that is the end of your connection to Cloudflare. You don't need to do any other thing for now. You don't need to do any other thing. You have successfully connected your website to what? To Cloudflare, and it's going to update. It's going to update. So once it updates, you have everything in place already. So let's quickly look at Whois and see if it has updated in Whois. Let's look at Whois. You go to whois.com/whois. Go to whois.com/whois. Then we are going to copy the Sagacious. It's SABICOil. It's SABICOil.com. SABICOil.com. So I'm going to search for SABICOil.com. So click on search and see. As we can see, the name servers already are that of Cloudflare. You can see it's already updated, that of Cloudflare. So that tells us that it is updated. It's now for Cloudflare to realize that it has been updated. So let me refresh. But even if you don't come back to this page, it is done already. It's done already. You've successfully connected to what? The Cloudflare account. So like I said, Cloudflare sometimes is very, very slow. So you have to be patient enough to be able to access Cloudflare. It may give you some errors when trying to register. And also they will give you now. They say great news, Cloudflare is now protecting your website. You can see it's completed. That means that Cloudflare is now active on sabicoil.com. You can see this is the success message. Look at the success message here. So thanks guys, that is how you can connect your website to Cloudflare. See you in my next video. Bye.